me to work on a stormy Friday. You can kind of see the freezing rain / snow, I guess. I'm a Floridian, so I don't know how this works, but definitely bundled up. I'm warm. Yeah, let's just see how it progresses throughout the day and if I can make it home safe. So Starbucks was closed. I should have known. The pansies. Dunkin', however, my trusty steed, they're open. Hi. Hello?
Yes.
Hi, can I get a medium hot? And that's it.
Okay, it's gonna meet you.
Thank you. It feels like I should be listening to Taylor Swift on this ride, so that's probably what I'll do. Literally, no one is going in the direction that I'm driving. Like, there's not a single soul. I don't know. I just almost slid off the road.